alarm clock buzz in a dim gray room. Same old kettle, same old spoon. Traffic hums through the window's frame. Another quiet morning with a different date and name. Same worn shoes by the front door mat. Coffee stained on a favorite cup that's cracked. Nothing here that anyone would say, but these are all the days our lives are made of anyway. No marching band, no grander view, just the way the light falls across this room. It's just BG for our day. Little moments underneath the haze. Not a headline, not a stage. This is where our story plays. On the Tuesdays that we soon forget, all the pieces that we haven't met. Nothing special, people say, but this is BG for our days. Email stack like a restless tide. Same three jokes in the group chat line. Lunch at the desk, walk around the block, checking off the hours on the digital clock. But someone sends a picture of the kid's first grip. Someone shares a song they used to love back then. Small talk highs, thousand quiet fights, and tiny sparks that keep us moving through the nights. Not every hour has to change the world. Some just hold the weight of being here. It's just being all days. Little moments underneath the haze. Not a headline, not a stage, but this is where our story plays. On the Wednesdays that we soon forget, hold the pieces that we haven't met. Nothing special, people say, but this is BGM for our days. One day we will look behind, search the corners of our mind, realize the songs we barely saw were the ones that shaped it all. Fireworks with the big applause, but the quiet rooms where we carried our flaws. Train rides home, the supermarket lines, the songs we learned to pass the time. Evening news on a faded screen, leftover lights in a half-read magazine. Laugh once more at a joke you know. Wash the dishes in a gentle flow. You text a friend, get home safe tonight. Turn off the lamp, leave the hallway light. Nothing there to put in frames. This is where love quietly remains. It's just beaching for days. Little moments underneath the haze. Not a headline, not a stage. This is where our story plays. On the Thursdays that we soon forget, all the pieces we have not lived yet. Nothing special, people say, but this is BG for our day. tells the truth I used to chase. I'm learning to be me, not who I tried to play. Letting go of all the lines I thought I had to say. If I move a little slower, if I miss a beat or three, that's just the rhythm of the real me. I'm learning to be me, without the mask I wore. Leaving open spaces where I rushed before. If I never fit the picture that was never meant to be, I'm finally making peace with being me. In me. In me. There were years I tried to be the perfect friend, perfect child, perfect lover to the end. Bend my back until the edges blur. Satisfied when my heart never hurt. Now I practice saying no without a twist. Let some chances go, let some moments be missed. I am not a sum of everything I do. I'm the quiet voice that keeps pulling through. Every time I choose to stay, instead of running fear away, I'm learning to be me, not who I try to play. Letting go of all the lines I thought I had to say. If I move a little slower, if I miss a beat or three, that's just the rhythm of the real me. I'm learning to be me, without the mask I wore. Leaving open spaces where I rushed before. If I never fit that picture that was never meant to be, I'm finally making peace with being me. Yeah, yeah. Won't rewrite the past, it had its place. Every wrong turn carved a line into my face. Now I wear them like a map of where I've been, a quiet kind of proof that I'm still here. I used to think that broken meant I'd fail. Now I see the gold in every crack I held. Every time I stayed when I could have disappeared, I became the reason I am here. Learning to be me, not who I tried to play. Letting go of all the lines I thought I had to say. If I move a little slower, if I miss a beat or three, that's just the rhythm of the real me. I'm learning to be me, with all my faulty parts, keeping room for changes in my heart. If I never fit that picture that was never meant to be, I'm finally making peace with being me. Hey, learning to be me, day by day. Learning to be me in my own way. Learning to be me, let it be. Learning to be me, just to be me. I'm learning to be me, yeah, yeah. And that's enough.
stopp, Moment. Ah.
There are days when the world feels heavy, like it's turning its back on me, sinking deep into something I can't name, wondering if I'll ever break free. But looking back across the years, the hardest foes became my climb. Those moments when I lost my way were building me this whole time. Every step you wander is ground. Every tear you've cried is watered something now. Trust the path even when you can't see how. Those lost roads made you who you are now. Ha 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 ha. Your today deserves your fate. Growth comes rest, it's pain sometimes. Shows up quiet, stays a while, then leaves you something you can't buy. Remember this one simple truth: however far you roam alone, each confused and aching mind became the land you're standing on. Every step you wander is ground. Every tear you've cried has watered something now. Trust the path even when you can't see how. Those lost roads made you who you are now. It wasn't when life ran smooth, not the easiest golden days. It was stumbling in the dark, holding on in awkward ways. When you feel like giving up, let me tell you something true. The times you barely held your grip were shaping something strong and true. Every step you wander is ground. Every tear you cried has watered something now. Trust the path even when you can't see how. Those lost roads made you who you are now. What you've been through became your strength. The letting go, the choice to start. Those draws of pain you carried along are now the foundation of your heart.
Und den
faces on a glowing wall. Different city, different name on your door. Same old number that you never use no more. I see your dinner in a little square of light. Some crowded table on a busy Friday night. I type a message then I let it fade. Tell myself you'll call me on another day. I know you're learning how to stand alone. Still I keep waiting by this quiet phone. Call me when you can, I'll be alright. I know your days are running past the night. I don't wanna pull you from the life you choose. Just don't let the distance make me lose you. Call me when you can, no rush, no plan. I'll leave the lamp on where it always stands. I say I'm fine, that I understand, but I miss the days you held my hand. I keep a jacket that you left behind, ticket stubs and letters you would sometimes write. You said I'll visit when the work calms down. I said take your time, then watch another year swing round. I hear your laughter through a secondhand story. Your answers you're tired, but you're doing alright. I'm proud of the way that you carry your words, but I wish you'd share a few with me tonight. I check the screen like it could change the past, then put it down and tell my heart to last. Call me when you can, I'll be alright. I know your days are running past the night. I don't wanna pull you from the life you choose. Just don't let the distance make me lose you. Call me when you can, no rush, no plan. I'll keep a seat for you where you once ran. I say I'm fine, that I understand, but I miss the sound of you saying dad or mom again. Ooh, I don't need a holiday postcard line, just a tired voice saying I made it home tonight. Tell me everything you've seen. Just a few small pieces in between. If all you have is 5 short minutes on the train, I'll take those echoes over all this quiet space. I'll be the place you never have to prove. The older you get, the more this stays true. One day you'll stand where I'm standing now, watching someone younger try to work it out. You say the same words that I'm saying too. I don't wanna burden you, but I still need you. Maybe then you scroll through pictures late at night, you're waiting for a simple sign of life. You'll understand this gentle aching grace of loving someone you rarely face. Oh, call me when you can, I'll be alright. I know your days are running past the night. I don't wanna pull you from the life you choose. Just don't let the distance make me lose you. Call me when you can, no rush, no plan. I'll keep the door unlocked just like we began. I'll say I'm fine, that I understand, but my heart still reaches for your hand. Hey, hey. Call me when you can, call me when you can. I'll be right here trying to understand. And call me when you can, call me when you can. Every quiet evening I'm your biggest fan. If tonight is full, I'll wait for some other day. But don't let the years be the price we paid. And call me when you can, whatever you face. I'm still your home, I'm still your place.
Okay. Rutschig.
There's a story to tell. Some little mountains, some men in a well. Right or wrong, up or down through the years, every step you took brought you here. Nobody sees what you're fighting to hold. Weight of decisions that nobody's told. But every wrong turn, top you stand. Every mistake left the strength in your hands. No path was wasted, no moment in vain. Every single choice wrote your name. Every choice has worth, every step has a place. Every fall you took still shaped your pace. Every door you closed made a new one appear. Every choice has its worth, year after year. Through the doubt and the fear, you found your way through. Every wrong made the right feel true. Every choice has worth, every scar tells a tale. Every choice made you, you did not fail. You did not fail. Some days you question the roads that you chose. Wonder if a different life could have rose. Different doors with another design. But this is the path that made you shine. Every detour, every time you got lost, every bridge that you crossed at a cost, turned your doubts into something refined, led you closer to the life you find. No dream was wasted, no fire burned blind. Every lesson carved a clearer mind. Every choice has worth, every step has a place. Every fall you took still shaped your pace. Every door you closed made a new one appear. Every choice has worth, year after year. Through the nights that were cold and the days full of rain, every loss brought a strength through pain. Every choice has worth, every heart knows it's true. Every choice somehow carried you through. They say some roads are made just to break. Some choose a ride from the wrong turns we take. Even the endings that tore you apart became quiet anchors deep in your heart. Every choice has worth, every step has a place. Every fall you took still shaped your pace. Every door you closed made a new one appear. Every choice has worth, year after year. Every choice has worth, and so do you. So do you. worn-out scarf and a phone that rings, steam on glass and a tired hello, little signs that tell me I'm not alone. When the air gets sharp and the streets turn stone, I remember I don't walk alone. In the darkest months when the nights feel slow, I live on every gentle winter glow. Kitchen light on a Sunday noon, pot on the stove singing soft and warm. Someone hums an old half-remembered tune. Family gathered though the world feels torn. Chopsticks rest on a shed steel tray. We talk in fragments, drift and stay. No big speeches, nothing grand to show. Just a table holding up the snow. We don't fix the world with what we say. We just share a bowl and make it through the day. Winter glow in the smallest thing, like a heavy coat on a chair that leans. Foggy glass and a simple hello, little signs that tell us we're not alone. When the air gets sharp and the streets turn stone, I remember I don't walk alone. In the quiet months when the nights feel slow, we live on every gentle winter glow. Some days the news feels colder than the wind, and the future looks thinner than our skin. But someone texts, did you eat today? And suddenly the ice begins to break. Warm palms wrapped around a paper cup, old song playing from a taxi's dust. We don't change the earth in a single night, but we pass around these borrowed lights. Ooh, back home late, boots by the door. Cold on a hook I've seen before. Street light paints on the living room floor. Someone left a blanket on the worn-out sofa's core. I sit down slow, let the silence speak. Hear the house breeze soft and weak. All the years that brought me here in tow, curled around this simple winter glow. Winter glow in the smallest things, like a line of shoes and the joy it brings. Names on cups